Hi, it's Kozue. Let's prep a few accessories first. Just a little DIY before nail time. These pieces are quite flat, so I'm gently curving them to fit the shape of my nails. I'm using a firm eraser as a base and pressing the piece with a stick to add a gentle curve. The curve turned out just right. Smaller pieces need more pressure, so the stick wasn't strong enough this time. I press it down using the knife handle. Well, just a slight curve, but it's enough to fit nicely. Oh, I forgot to show you how much I curved the first one. Here it is, just a gentle curve like this. If I were using gel, I could probably leave the accessory flat and fill the gaps with gel. But since I'm using polish today, I think it's better to shape the curve beforehand. Now that the accessories are ready, I'm moving on to polish. First, I wash my hands and wipe the nails with ethanol to remove any moisture or oil. For the base coat, I'm using Strong Guard. Every time I use it, I notice how smooth and easy the brush is to work with. It dries quickly too, definitely one I recommend. I've finished applying base coat on my nails. Today's colors are Playful number 13, a mint green, and PA nail color F number 13. I love how soft and dusty these colors feel, very fall-like. I got a bit of polish on the cuticle this time. With gel, cleaning that up can be a hassle. But with regular polish, I can just swipe it off with a toothpick. So much easier. It's super pigmented, so I tried to go for a one-coat finish. And yeah, it flooded the edges. For the pinky, I'm using a dusty purple polish. Mint green for the ring finger. Such a cute color. It's super pigmented, so I thought one coat might be enough again. But I went a bit heavy, and when I cleaned the edges with a toothpick, it left a dent. So 2 coats it is. This muted purple has great coverage. Even one coat is enough. But my application was a bit uneven, so I'm going in for a second coat. Well, 2 coats make the nails stronger anyway, so it's fine. I let it dry for 7 minutes. Then apply the second coat. Thankfully, everyone went smoothly this time, no dramatic mishaps. After the second coat, I let it dry for 7 minutes before stamping. This is a stamping plate I bought quite a while ago from Born Pretty. I'm not sure if the exact same design is still available. It has a Houndstooth pattern here. I used to think it was way too big to use, but today I'm finally giving it a try. I noticed that bold Houndstooth patterns are trending on social media lately, and since I'm the type who loves to follow trends, I decided to use this oversized Houndstooth today. I apply a generous amount of stamping polish onto the plate, then I scrape it firmly in one strong motion. I use washi tape to remove the extra designs. I'm keeping just 2 of them. One thing to watch out for with Houndstooth nails is the direction of the pattern. A while ago, I stamped without thinking, and all the designs ended up pointing down to the left. So now I always check the angle before stamping. Here's how it looks. I left 2 patterns on the stamper. Now I'm stamping a different finger. I apply a generous amount of polish onto the stamping plate again. I give it a solid, confident scrape. The stamping turned out really well. By the way, the base polish is dry enough to leave a fingerprint when pressed. That level of dryness is perfect. It helps the stamp stick cleanly. I'm stamping again without cleaning the plate. This time too, I'm using just 2 designs. I'm applying Born Pretty's No Smudge Top Coat Oil. Before it dries, I'll attach the curved accessory I prepared at the beginning of this video. I'm using a stamping plate from Moyu, a UK brand. This time I'm stamping the middle finger. I sometimes use this prepaid card to scrape. It often gets mistaken for a credit card. Don't worry, if you see the numbers, it's totally safe. I'm gonna stamp these 2 words, harmonious contour. I'm applying No Smudge Top Coat Oil over the stamped nails. It helps protect the design without smearing it. I'm applying Paradude Gel Top Coat to all nails. This is the first layer. It's a Japanese top coat you can buy at 7-Eleven. It dries quickly and barely shrinks, so I always use it. Before the top coat dried, I applied a pearl accent. There's a lot of leftover stamping stuck to the skin near the ring finger. I'll clean it off later with washi tape once the top coat has dried. I've accidentally peeled off semi-dry polish with washi tape more times than I'd like to admit. I added accessories to the index finger as well. Now I'll let everything dry for at least 3 hours. Once it's fully dry, I apply a second top coat, sèche vide. They say nail lacquer loses its smell once it's completely dry, so I always sniff my nails to check before applying sèche vide. I love how sèche vide gives that plump, glossy finish. Even after it dries, the thickness and shine stay beautifully. And that's it. This nail art is complete. It might be a love it or hate it kind of design, but I personally love it. I gave my right hand a similar design. Classic black and white Houndstooth is always nice, but sometimes it's fun to switch things up. Since I usually change my nail lacquer after about a week, it's fun to try bold designs like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!